What's up? It's your boy Flo. You already know. Yo, today I'm gonna eat some sausages. You feel me? What my wife got me from downtown. I know these shits is expensive. Look, look at this shit. Them in the bag, fancy bag, and all that. Wrinkled as hell. And I'm about to bust these sausages down. You know these shits is expensive too. You know what I'm saying? Come on, you coughing all in my fucking live and all that. Yeah, also got some chips. I got some Arizona. You know, I need that energy. I'm gonna try these bad boys. From downtown, you know these shit is expensive. You know what I'm saying? Get these bad boys on the plate for now. Did I ever do a sausage mukbang?
No.
No, right? Yeah, I never do no sausages mukbang, excuse me. But yeah, like I said, I got this Arizona, some bag of chips, and I got my hot dogs. Now, I'm gonna tell you what I have on it. I told her to put on, I hope so. Sauerkraut, mustard, ketchup, and some type of huh?
This pizza?
What?
I got this pizza?
Yeah, if you want it, you got it. I think she got the other sauerkraut with the sauce. But I'm gonna get into it though. Look at this. Look at this, baby. She got on the hot dog. Look at how that look. Ooh. This bad boy look good. You want some? Can't have it. Let me try that. This is not bad.
Are those spicy?
Yeah, if you get sausages from the thing, from the truck, that's the only thing you got is spicy. Yeah, these are spicy.
Like really hot?
Mm-hmm.
I forgot to take my pill today.
With the chips. This is supposed to be 50 cents. This is probably like $1.25. These damn chips. Babe, you came from downtown. How much you pay for the 2 hot dogs in Arizona? About what?
2 hot dogs were about $4.
Woo!
And then the
The only guy you pay like what?
The Arizona was $1. The chips was $1.75.
I pay like $15 for shit.
No.
I don't know. $4 for them? Yeah.
It was like $7.50.
Yo, it's hot dog. Not even hot dog, sausages.
I can tell they are hot.
I was waiting.
Put this next to you. Put this next to you.
Put that, just leave that right there somewhere. That was that nasty ass pizza we had yesterday. That lost a lot of weight. This one used to be tight. By the shoulders, damn. All the exercise and running. And she was mad. If y'all seen that prank I put up yesterday, oh man. Baby. Her face.